Now, recipes often start by saying sweat the onions or saute the onions. There's quite a big difference in those two words, and it relates to colour. Okay, on the left I've got some diced onions, some butter, and I'm going to sweat those over a moderate heat. On the right I've got some sliced onions and I put some oil in, and I'm going to have the heat a little bit higher, and I'm going to saute them. As the sauteing onions cook, the sugars caramelize and they become nice and dark and rich in colour, and that colour is going to transpire all the way through a dish. The onions on the left, the sweating onions, we're going to put a little bit of salt in to draw the moisture out. I'm also going to put a lid on them to help keep them moist as well. That's quite important. The heat's down a little bit more, around halfway, whereas the sauteing onions, I'm going to really try and get them coloured up. They are going to take a long time to cook these onions down in this situation. This French onion soup on the right is going to take a couple of hours to get a really rich dark colour into the onions. Less time for the white onion soup on the left, but I just thought the two things demonstrate a good principle. We've got two onion soups with very similar ingredients, milk on the left and brown stock on the right. But the colour in this rich onion soup comes from sauteing the onions properly. If you're making a risotto and you want it to be nice and pale and white, then you would sweat the onions. If you're making a beef stew and you want some rich colour into it, then you would saute all of the onions or the vegetables to start with. And that literally is the difference. White onion soup on the left, we're going to puree into a smooth soup, and the French onion soup I'm going to thicken slightly with corn flour, a few drops at a time, and leave that quite rustic, and it's more of a broth soup, a French onion soup. The main thing, sweating and sauteing, is down to colour, and you can see here there's a huge difference in the two soups.